We're Chelsey and Alphonse, a husband and wife team who loves the Lord and who are converting a miniature school bus into a camper van. And in this episode, Alphonse fixes the leak in the roof, and he also installs the solar panels on top. You guys can like and subscribe to follow along. That would be great.
What are we doing today?
We need to secure that with some latches because it currently doesn't latch anywhere. I need to double check, make sure that is fully done. So
The metal box?
Yeah, that one. So we can move forward there. Wow, that foam really puffed out.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to try to hopefully get this bump out built so it's ready. And then flooring, maybe, if we're able to get to it.
Awesome. We have a visitor.
Which one is it?
Hi, Josie. Hi, Josie.
Will it hold well? I have no idea. All right.
How many are you putting in?
4.
Yikes. That is one rough box.
Oh my gosh, there's so many ants in there.
Oh no. Really?
Yeah, it's like a colony of them.
Oh no. Well, we got ants in our panels. Yikes. Ooh. Careful, there's an ant there. So we had our solar panels outside. As you can see, it's just like totally wet because of the rain, but there's all these ant eggs and you can see the larvae and they are just going absolutely crazy. Yeesh. What you doing?
Trying to understand how these go on. Are they warped or something, or is the panel warped?
Uh-oh.
Because the holes don't line up.
No?
I mean, they line up if you put it on the wrong way, which is like this.
Okay.
Or even like this.
But that's the wrong way?
Yeah, because then you wouldn't be able to run these screws in.
Wait, why is that the wrong way?
Because you can't run these screws in.
Oh. So we have our 3. We have one here that we have to spray because there's ants on it that we gotta spray. And then we were opening our final one and boom. Looks like it got hit by hail and it cracked the whole thing. So we're gonna have to replace it. So Alphonse right now, the brackets that we got, because the solar panels don't come with brackets, they didn't go the right way. So Alphonse now has to drill a hole in every bracket. We're gonna do 4 brackets per solar panel. There's 8. We don't have to do all of them, so that's what we're doing. We're doing it for that one, and then the other one too. So where are we eating?
We're eating at Braum's.
At Braum's? The Braum's place? What did you get to eat?
I got a burger and fries and a mint chocolate chip shake.
Ooh, what size?
Small.
Ooh.
It's recording. You actually have a really nice camera.
Thank you.
Looks good.
Thank you.
Oh.
It's my new phone.
Yeah.
You'll have to see if it's in 4K though. I don't know if I have it in 4K.
Okay. There.
Are you recording from that angle? I probably look so bad at that angle.
Nothing.
Yeah, we did.
We lost our hopes and dreams.
No, it was just a little hail crack.
Yeah. I don't know, I guess we've got a couple of panels partially done. And we got some latches put on that don't close now.
Yeah, that will have
nothing.
to fix. Yummy food. How is it?
It's good.
Is it Braum's good?
Is it good?
Good enough. Probably just
While Alphonse is doing all of the drilling, I'm sitting here. My little camper chair. I got my water. I got my Sprite from Braum's. And I got my shade and my sunglasses. Look at Alphonse up there on the roof. He's installing the solar panels himself. So proud of him.
Oh, come on. Rick.
Is it working?
Yeah, just the stupid screw keeps falling over. It's its favorite thing to do.
Let's check on Alphonse, see how the solar panels are coming.
Okay, that's 4.
Yay! So you got it?
I mean, we still have to do the other side, but I can't get to it up here.
Okay.
Alright, that's one of them.
Woo!
Oh, why, son?
All right, y'all, so we're done for the day because the sun is like so hot. It is so hot in Texas. But, so the main thing that we did, we got the emergency hatch right here. We got it fixed because the sealant, it was leaking like crazy. And then we got the solar panels on. One's right there and then one's on the other side of the bus farther away on the other side of the hatch. But we were able to get that. It's going good, and we're coming along slowly but surely, at least, and our takeoff date is still January 1st, so we'll see if we get everything done. Next steps is the flooring and the insulation and the driver's seat and the passenger seat that we have to install, but other than that, then we can start building. So stay tuned. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you can follow along on all of our Bluebell adventures.